Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Buddy podcast. I am Sam.
And I am Sophia. Hello, friends. We are so happy to be here with you today.
Yes, active listening is very important for learning English. We hope you are having a wonderful day.
We are here to help you practice English in a calm and relaxing way. Just listen and enjoy.
Exactly. No stress, just English conversation.
Before we start, we want to say thank you.
Yes, thank you for listening to us every week. You're doing a great job.
If you like our podcast, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
That helps us make more episodes for you. Sharing is caring.
Tell a friend about us. We love making new friends.
Okay, are you ready for today's topic?
Today, we are talking about health and hobbies.
That is a great topic. Specifically, we are talking about checking into a gym or a class.
Many people want to exercise. Maybe you want to join a gym.
Or maybe you want to take a yoga class or a dance class.
But sometimes speaking English at the front desk is scary.
True. You have to answer questions. You have to fill out forms.
So today, let's practice the words you need for the gym.
This will help you feel confident. Let's get started.
So Sam, do you go to a gym?
Yes, I do. I go to a gym near my house. I go 3 times a week.
Wow, that is great. Is it a big gym?
It is medium-sized. It has many machines and a pool.
A pool? That is nice. I want to join a gym soon.
Oh, really? That is exciting.
Yes, but I am nervous about the first day.
Why are you nervous?
I don't know what to say at the reception desk.
I understand. It is easy, Sophia. First, you walk to the front desk.
Okay, I walk to the desk. Then what?
You say, "Hi, I would like to sign up for a membership."
Sign up for a membership. Okay, I can say that.
Exactly. Then the staff will ask for your ID.
My ID card or my passport?
Usually just a driver's license or ID card. They need to know your name and address.
I see. That is simple. Do I have to pay money immediately?
Usually, yes. They will tell you the monthly fee.
The monthly fee. That is the price for 1 month, right?
Correct. For example, my gym is $50 a month.
That is not too bad. What if I want to take a class, like yoga?
Good question. You should ask for the class schedule.
Class schedule. That is the list of times for the classes.
Yes, you can ask, "Do you have a schedule for group classes?"
I like that. Do you have a schedule? And then I check in?
Yes. When you go next time, you just scan your card.
Scan my card, like at the supermarket?
Yes. Beep, and the gate opens. Then you go to the locker room.
Ah, the locker room. That is where I change my clothes.
Right. You put your bag in a locker. You need a lock, usually.
I see. I need to buy a lock. Do they give me a towel?
Some expensive gyms give towels. My gym does not.
Okay, I will bring my own towel and a water bottle.
Definitely. You get thirsty when you exercise.
Imagine, Sam, I walk in, I scan my card, beep, I feel strong.
I can imagine it. You look very confident.
I go to the locker room, I change my shoes.
Then you run on the treadmill?
Maybe, or I lift weights.
Strong, Sophia. I like it.
It sounds fun now. I'm not scared anymore.
That is the spirit. Just smile and say hello to the staff.
They are usually friendly, right?
Yes, very friendly. They want to help you.
That was a good conversation. We used some important words there.
Yes, let's look at 3 or 4 of them. First, membership.
Membership. This means you belong to a group. You pay to be a member.
Yes, like a gym membership or a library membership.
Exactly. Next word is reception or front desk.
This is the first place you see. The staff stands there. You say hello there.
Right. It is the entrance area. The next word is schedule.
Schedule. This is a list of times. Monday at 5 p.m., Tuesday at 10 a.m.
Yes, we check the schedule to know when to go. Finally, locker.
A locker is a small cupboard. You can lock it. You put your bag inside.
It keeps your things safe while you exercise.
Sam, do you have any tips for new gym members?
Yes. Tip number 1, start small. Don't go every day at first.
That is good advice. Maybe 2 times a week?
Yes, 2 times is perfect. Tip number 2, ask questions.
If I don't know how to use a machine?
Just ask a staff member. Say, "Excuse me, how do I use this?"
They will help me?
Yes, they are happy to help. Tip number 3, wear comfortable shoes.
Oh yes, good shoes are very important for your feet.
So today we learned about going to the gym.
We learned how to join. We say, I would like to sign up.
We learned about the front desk and the schedule.
And we learned not to be nervous. It is a fun place.
Exercising is good for your body and your mind.
And speaking English at the gym is good practice.
We hope you feel ready to move your body now.
Yes, we believe in you. You can do it.
We have a question for you today. Please write in the comments.
Our question is, what is your favorite way to exercise? Do you like running, swimming, or walking?
Or maybe dancing. Let us know below.
Thank you for listening to English Buddy. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a healthy week.